contents of this letter I submitted today to the United Nations, and also copying the presidents of the 5 superpowers, that is the presidents of the Security Council, is on it's an SOS message on the unabated, internalized, systematic and institutionalized genocide going on in Nigeria. That's the import. We have submitted this letter today to put the whole world on notice of the obvious, self-evidencing fact that there is an ongoing genocide in Nigeria, and if it's not checked, would blossom to a full-blown ethno-religious genocidal war. Right now, the number of persons that have been killed through this process is more than the persons killed or people killed in the by ISIS in Iraq and Syria put together. I'm appealing to the United Nations that they should come to the aid of Nigerian citizens. The over 300 ethnic groups in Nigeria should come. They should come to the rescue of these people from being exterminated, from being alienated. What is happening right now is that the people who are in charge of the structure of government are using the structure of government to aid the killings, the ethnic cleansing of Nigerians. And we are saying no to this, and we are letting the United Nations know. And we are here also to point to the United Nations of the fact that they should stop their hypocrisy and also to stop pussyfooting on this matter. The United Nations must take a very firm step on this to ensure that innocent children, women, men, the aged and the weak are not just slaughtered and killed. Because right now we are sitting on a keg of, not even a keg of powder, we are sitting on a time bomb. Any moment from now, it will get to its crescendo. You have put on notice, United Nations, that there is genocide going on in Nigeria by the Fulani ethnic group in conjunction with their brothers, their kids and kin from 13 other West Africa, 13 other African countries with terrorist group. They have concluded and put in place machinery to exterminate and subjugate other ethnic groups in Nigeria. Don't say you are not told. UN, you are told though, because it took you 3 hours to acknowledge this letter.